today is a really exciting video for me as a new-ish makeup collector. In this box is my first set of shadow singles from Sydney Grace. I've heard so much about the quality of Sydney Grace shadows. This was shipped in here. So this is how they come. When I went on Sydney Grace's website, there were a lot of shades that were sold out, and so what I did was I picked up any color that I was gravitated towards that was in stock. So it ended up being 13 shades that I picked up. So I'm really excited to get these open and swatch them for you so you can see which colors I got. I also picked up 2 magnetic palettes from Tarte. These were on sale and I just thought they were so cute. I actually saw, I think Tamra's Timeless Beauty is her name. She did a video where she had her Sydney Grace singles in one of these palettes. It has a mirror on it. It has a mirror. Oh, it's a good mirror too. Nice and big. But I have been seeing a lot of videos about eyeshadow singles and Sydney Grace in particular. So when I saw Tamra open up this super cute palette with her singles, I said, that's my signal. I need to go ahead and pull the trigger and buy some. So I got that one, and then I also got this camouflage. Both of them were on sale. I just thought they were the cutest thing. Ooh, this has another good mirror. So I don't know if Tarte still has them on sale. I did hear a couple of other people say they picked some of these up. But I am going to go ahead, get these open, and just start putting them in the palette. Role Model, Golden Strawberry, Laughter, Pumpkin Spice Latte, Dream Maker, Beaches, Mellow Yellow, Snow Queen. So far, the shades. I was imagining that these were bigger and that it would take up more room, but I guess not. So I guess maybe that's a good thing. In case some of the other shades I really liked come back in stock, I have plenty of room for the new additions. Okay, this is Sutter, Palm Tree, Deep Waters, yes, beautiful. So here they are all together in the pan. I just think they are so beautiful. I'm trying to get it without the glare. Can't wait to make a look with them. I'm going to stand up one more time so you can see all the swatches on the arm together. Comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Sydney Grace. What are your favorite shades? What shades do you want? I know Tiara is one that I've heard that is really good, but it was of course out of stock. So as soon as that comes back in stock, I might pick that up. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style. I'll see you in the next shipped in here.
Mommy,
with the little packing slip. Okay, what would you like?
I like spaghetti.
You want spaghetti?
Yeah. I'm hungry too, Mommy.
You're hungry too?
Mine was spaghetti.
I'm gonna make
too.
spaghetti.
Yeah.
I'll make spaghetti for dinner. Do you want to eat something else for right now? Okay, it's gonna take a minute for me to make it though. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.